Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson of the Arabic language. This is lesson number 8, and in the past 2 lessons we saw 4 hard to pronounce letters. Unfortunately today we have another 2 hard to pronounce letters. So let's start with the first one. So this letter is written in the alphabet like so. A small hook, then a small curve. A big curve. So you have it's like 2 big curves. It's similar to the 3, just inverse. You see, you flip it. So it's like that. If you ever forget, just remember the 3. So the name of this letter is Ain. Ain. It also, if you say Ain, it also means an eye. So anyway, so this letter's name is Ain. Now the pronunciation is hard. The way you pronounce it is ah. It's ah. It's like the A, but it's deep from the throat with a ah. I don't know how to explain it more than that. Maybe later when I have special pronunciation lessons I will show you the difference, but for now it's ah. So it's a, u, ai, a, u, ai. Okay, now for the next letter, which is written the same way, but you have a dot above it. Just like in the 2 previous lessons. We have the same way to write it, you just have a dot above it. Anyway, so the name of this letter is Ghain. Yeah, it's a bit hard also to pronounce. The way the pronunciation is Gha. Maybe it's similar to the French R somehow, but anyway, it's Gha. So it's Ra, Ru, Ri. Again, the pronunciation is Ra, Ru, Ri. Okay, so let's move on to how we write that in a word. So, in the beginning of the word, you just write one of these, curve, and then you extend and connect it to the next letter. If it's in the middle of the word, it's a bit tricky. You can write it like this, connected from front by something. Then you go up and connect it like this. So the hook is basically leaning on a small tooth. So you do it like this. This is one way to write it when it's in the middle of the word. But the other way to write it in the middle of the word, I write it here. So you connect it from front. Then you do this kind of shape. Please follow carefully. You go like that, go back, go down like this, and continue. Well, it looks like a hammer, I guess. I'm not sure how to describe this shape. Anyway, again, I'm going to write this shape. So it's like this. See, this is when I write it fast. You cannot see a gap in the middle, just like so. So this is when it's in the middle of the word. Let's do it in the end of the word. It's actually similar to the middle. So you go like this. You have a tooth. Then you hook it, and you continue with a curve. So it's like this when it's at the end, but you can also do it the other way. which is more common when written by hand. It goes like this, then you go back and forth and hook. So here you go, there you go. This is the ayn, which is a. If I add a dot, it will be ra. Right, ayn. It's exactly the same. I'll do this move just one more time to just to make it more clear again. So let me do it alone. So it goes like this. You connect it, you go up, back, down. So this is it. This is how we write it fast. Anyway, so let's pronounce those letters one more time. So this is the ayn. The pronunciation is a, u, ay. This is fast. Let's go slow. A, u, ay. If you actually get this sound correct, you will be like amazing, because I've never seen anyone who who learned Arabic can say this sound immediately. He needs like maybe 6 months of training just to get the sound going correctly. Anyway, let's add the dot and pronounce it. It will be ra, ru, ri. Oops, I did the same mistake. Ri. So it's ra, ru, ri. And the name is Ghayn. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care.